I'm going to catch some heat for this one.
You already have, from me.
I said in a previous video, when we put our AGM batteries in, I said, I'm not going lithium. We don't have the charger, blah, blah, blah. You can't charge them in the cold and so on. However,
look what he done did. Dude. Tear me off, it says.
oh, these are the terminal bolts.
Oh, okay.
Look what we got.
What's that, Redodo?
Redodo.
Redodo. Good thing about it is that it's not nearly as heavy.
It is not. It is not heavy at all, actually. We need to get the scale. Let's see what it weighs, shall we?
We shall. 47.2.
That's not bad at all.
No.
I want to see you pick it up.
Okay.
Easier than you thought?
Well, way easy. It's crazy easy. I can do all my workouts with it.
Full disclosure, Redodo sent this to us.
Yes.
They contacted us and asked us if we would like to have a battery to try out. So I thought, even though I said I don't want to put lithium in there, why not try it?
Actually, I'm going to throw something in there. They contacted us multiple times, and originally we told them no because we just got
The AGMs. However, what do you guys think we should do? Should we try this? We didn't have to pay for it, so why not try it?
And it would be a legit, I mean, everything we do is a legit review, honest review. If it stays in our motorhome or we keep using it, it's legit. We like it. So
yeah, if I don't like it, I will tell you that I don't like it. But so far, I mean, they got these terminal protectors on here, the case. Seems, oops.
Good job.
It seems like it's very well built. It's a very sturdy but lightweight battery.
They did also have fast shipping.
4 days. Had this in 4 days.
Yes. So I was actually rather surprised with that because I'm still waiting on something that is not a lithium battery to be shipped.
Right.
And it's not here yet.
The instructions that they send, they're actually really good. They're very easy to understand. The pictures are very
Helpful.
You can connect them in parallel, you can connect them in series.
Okay.
This particular battery is 200 amp hours.
Which is the same, this one battery is basically 2 of the AGMs that we just put in, right?
Yes, and literally half the weight of those AGMs are heavy.
We did have a couple commenters say that the only reason they went lithium is because they were so tight on the weight that they almost had to.
Right.
So, and we did talk about previously the way, like our battery tray is out in the elements. This can't be.
Right, so if we were gonna try this battery out, again, you guys in the comments tell us, should we try it or not? Because what we'll do, we're planning on putting solar on the roof.
Right.
Our current charger in the motorhome does not support the voltage required to charge a lithium battery up to 100%. Our charger can take it up to about 80%. But if we put solar on the roof, we can use the solar to top it off from 80 to 100%.
Right. So if we do that, like we plan to do, it's not going to be a big solar system. Don't get us wrong. Don't get it twisted. It'd only be, what, 400 or so?
About 400 watts.
Yeah, so nothing crazy. So let us know. Yay, nay, what you think?
So this is the hardware that they sent with it. They actually sent those and 2 extras, and you got these protective caps that go on top. But I'm curious how many volts is shipped with. I'm thinking probably like 30% or so.
Yeah, it's got to be low. It has to be.
13.15.
Okay.
So the capacity at 30% is 13.0, 40% is 13.1.
Okay.
So it's right in that range.
Yeah.
It's not
Somewhere in
bad.
between there.
So we can charge it up to 80%.
Yeah.
If you charge this battery up to 80% and then discharge it down to 20, if you keep it between 80 and 20, you can get 6,000 cycles out of this battery.
It's a lot of cycles.
That's a lot of cycles. A lead acid battery is like 400, 500 cycles.
Oh, okay.
So 6,000 cycles. This has a lifespan of like 10 years.
Yeah.
And Redodo puts a 5-year warranty on these batteries. Again, I'm not trying to just say that these are good just because they sent it to us.
Everything is good on paper.
Right, I'm just telling you what the specs are. If we decide, if you guys encourage us enough to put this in the motorhome, what we'll do, we'll put solar on the roof, because I already kind of want to do that. And then we will modify the interior so we can put this battery inside. We live up north. The problem with lithium is that when it gets cold, like below freezing, then you can't charge a lithium battery, or you will damage it. Lead acid, you can. That's why our lead acid batteries are just in a compartment outside.
Right.
So we would put this inside, so that way it stays nice and warm, so that way we can discharge and charge it all year long.
And the interior modifications are something I've been wanting for quite some time.
Yes.
I've been asking and asking.
We need more room in the living space and more storage at the same time. So how do you add storage and add free space? I guess you have to wait and find out. One of the benefits of this battery is that you can mount it in any way other than upside down. So you can mount it on its side. You can mount it upright. Just cannot mount it upside down.
That's actually kind of nice, because if you have a space that can't suit it this way, like a typical battery, you have other options.
Oh yeah, you got plenty of options. The other added benefit of a lithium battery, this one specifically, is that it has a 200 amp BMS, or battery management system. What that means is that you can discharge at 200 amps or charge at 200 amps. We're pretty excited about this battery, I'm not gonna lie. And again, we'll tell you the good and the bad once we use it. We just got it.
It just showed up today.
If you guys are interested in these batteries, there's a link probably in the description, at the top of the comments, that'll have a discount code should you be interested in purchasing one of these batteries. They make them in 100 amp hour, 200 amp hour, even higher than that.
Yeah.
If you need a lithium charger, they sell those too on their website, which will be in the bottom here somewhere.
Yep.
In the description probably. Redodo uses prismatic lithium iron phosphate cells. Recommended charge current is 40 amps with a charge voltage of 14.4 volts. Maximum continuous charge current 200 amps. Maximum continuous discharge current is 200 amps. It can discharge at 400 amps for 5 seconds. So let us know what you think we should do with this. Should we put it in the RV? Should we not? Let us know.